Hey guys, check it out. Hey, it's Jason here again. Just wanted to check in here, and don't forget to go and like our channel, Just Roofing It. And we are here in the Heartland area again, looking at some storm damage with the winds and tornado, hail. A little bit of everything here. So. Um, some of the things that that we experience in some of these damages and storms is making sure that you have a contractor that knows what they're doing and when it comes to rebuilding any sort of structure. Obviously here I'm standing here and I'm looking at a building where these trees had come and toppled down and landed on this building. And here at Lefevre, we have in-house carpenters that can literally build a house from ground up. All right, so when you get into situations like this, making sure that you're having the right person to be able to take this all apart, put it back together the correct way is key. Again, Jason, Just Roofing It. You know what to do. Call me. Have a great day, guys.